The PicassoTab P2X11 Drawing Tablet is designed with portability in mind, featuring an 11-inch screen that is ideal for digital artists on the go. Equipped with a variety of pre-installed drawing and animation applications, this tablet offers advanced tools to spark creativity and bring artistic ideas to life. For beginners, the PicassoTab P2X11 includes the Artixo app, which provides comprehensive drawing tutorials to assist in developing your skills. The 11-inch full high-definition screen of the P2X11 offers an immersive drawing experience, with a fully laminated display that minimizes parallax and an anti-glare feature for a more natural feel. Beyond drawing, the P2X11 boasts 6 gigabytes of RAM and 128 gigabytes of storage, making it a versatile device for both creative and entertainment purposes. Powered by an octa-core CPU, the PicassoTab P2X11 ensures smooth performance, allowing seamless transitions between tasks, whether you are creating art or enjoying multimedia content.